What's up everyone? I'm Allison, and for this video, we're doing a quick 5-minute ab blast. But before we begin, make sure to tap that subscribe button and tap the bell to stay notified for the latest fitness videos. You don't need any equipment for this workout. All you need is your mat. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's begin with a quick warm-up exercise for the abs. In a seated position, heels down, sitting tall. We're going to do a half roll back, dipping the chin, round the spine, and then exhale, sit up. Inhale, stretch, and then lift. We're just gonna do this for about 15 seconds and then move on to our first move. As you get more warmed up, reach back a little bit farther and stretch, but keep the breathing. Inhale, exhale up. You got it. And wherever you're at, give me one more. Inhale, dip back. Exhale, come up. Very nice. Carefully lie all the way down onto your mat. Okay, from here, hands are light behind the head, feet are planted, engage the core, look at that ceiling, and when you're ready, we're gonna start with the crunch. Crunch up and down. We lift this up and lower. Exhale, inhale. We're gonna work pretty continuous with this flow today, so stick with me. Take breaks as you need to. 2 more. Okay, now pulse it up double time. Shoulder blades stay lifted. 7, 6, 5. Here's 4, 3, singles up and down every time. Lift this up and lower. Let's go ahead and bring those feet hovering just above the ground. Keeping those abs tight. Add a reverse curl roll. Curl the knees in and out. Lift. Making sure there's no arch in that lower back. You've got it. 4 more. Here's 4. Good. 3. There's 2. And upper body only crunch. Lift this up and down. One knee in, other leg extends. If you ever need to, drop this foot on the floor. Now rotate over. Opposite shoulder to knee, over and down. Again, quick check, make sure there's no space there. You've got it. 4. In 3. There's 2. Quick, switch, other side. Other leg out and in. You have 8 of those. Keep breathing. Exhale, inhale. 4 more. There's 4. In 3, we're gonna shorten this up. Here's 2. And switch over. 4 of those, go. 4. Good. 3. Here's 2. And switch. 4, other side. Go. 4. Nice. 2 more. There's 2, cut it down. Now 2 each way. Woo, take a 2 and down. Switch to other side. Oh, you know what's coming. Singles right here. Slow singles and slow. Good, slow. If you like, pick it up. 8 quick ones. There's 8. 7, 6, 5, good. 4, 3, can you go back slow? Hold, good, and switch. Let's switch. 1 more each way. Very nice. Center crunch up and down. Lift and lower. Bring those legs up all the way to the ceiling. Feet are flexed. Now out of reach, alternate right, left for the shoelaces and down. Small cross, lift and lower. Woo, 4 more. Here's 4. Good. 2 more. Now we're gonna take this move. Double time, quick 8. 8, 7, can you tap the outside of your foot? Here's 4, 3, fingertips together, reach and pulse center. Touch those shoelaces. Lift a little higher. 4, 3, 2, take a quick break, drop the head down, hug the knees to chest. Now from here, double leg stretch. Hands just below the knees, toes pointed, lift the head up into a ball. Inhale, arms reach back, exhale, legs extend. Bring it in. Inhale, exhale. Watch that back. If it's arching, raise those legs a little higher and engage the core a little more. You've got 4 more. 3, good work. 2, and hold the knees in. Give it a quick hug. All right, rock up, flip over. We're almost done with our 5 minutes. All right, in the plank position. Hands and knees, we're gonna go into bear plank to start. From here, abs are tight. Walk out, walk in. Do it again. Can you keep those shoulders and hips steady? Core is engaged, and breathe. Whew. Yes. Out and in. 4 more. 4. Nice. 3, 2, we're transitioning. You're gonna hold a high plank, hold it here. Take it down to your elbows. Hip drop side to side. Right, center, left, center. This is your finisher. You've got this. Woo. Stay strong. 4, 3, there's 2. Hold in the center for the last 10 seconds. I know you've got this. 7, 6, 5, last 4, 3, 2, and drop those knees. Woo, you did it. Sink back into a child's pose. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Great job. Carefully bring it up. Take a seated position. Let's do a quick stretch. You can sit cross-legged or however comfortable. One hand down, one arm up and overhead. Awesome, awesome work today. You can do a lot in 5 minutes. Take a breath, inhale, exhale, windmill those arms, other side. Good. And then center up. All right, you did awesome today. If you need any other suggestions for core workouts, I'll put a link in my captions, or you can tap the corner image. I'll see you next time. Great job on completing this workout. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.